Hope you guys are having a good one. Welcome back to the channel, and today's video is super stripped down. I'm in York, which is one of my favourite cities in the world. Got the Sony A7rii, 85mm lens and a 35 in my bag, and this is kind of what we're here for. See how that looks. That looks incredible. Little does this guy know. That's pretty cool. Jeez. I wonder if we can get one flying past there. Go on, fly past. That's pretty sweet. Let me just grab that. It's really cool. York is, I think York's as old as Roman times. There's loads of cool stuff here. Like, you've got the city walls that wrap all the way around, and then inside there's loads of tiny narrow streets. A lot of them we used as like inspiration for a lot of films. We're actually going to be shooting Diagon Alley, which is pretty cool. But yeah, we're starting up on the wall. We've got the A7rii and the trusty 85 on at the minute, because I want to get that compression with the Minster. And then when we go in, we're going to swap to the 35 and probably stick with that for most of the day, I reckon. Trying to shoot that guy. I want to get that shot fully set up. That looks so good. The one chance we get to shoot this without anything in front of it. Get in front of this sign. I'm reading my photo. See if we can get this cyclist. I think we're gonna wait out here for a minute and wait for a cyclist to go past, preferably. Hope that we get a cyclist. That looks quite nice. Did we get it? Yes. If you're a Harry Potter fan, you'll definitely recognise this next street. This was actually the inspiration for Diagon Alley. And what I would recommend, if you are to come down here, come at 8 in the morning, because there'll be absolutely no one here. Whereas if you come here at lunchtime, it's crazy busy. Yeah, look. On the ISO a little. Wonder if I can get someone going under there. Sort that ISO. Shot. Back on the 85, just want to try and compress the whole street so it looks even windier than it actually is. And we're just going to wait for someone to cut through the frame. That might do nicely actually. I really like the way that light's falling through just there actually. I'm just going to wait for a fellow photographer to get the fuck out of my shot. Come on. one, take a little left. There we go. That's a good lad. And now we play. Now we just play the human waiting game. Get in. Cool. Sorry, geez.
Okay.
That's really nice. Fucking shoot. That's kind of nice. Shooting through that Wampin Willow looking thing. The shot I really want to get is down there, but if I can avoid that screaming child for as long as possible, then I will. How good that light is on that door. This view here is probably one of the best in York. Oh, look at that, it's already framed up so well. Just wait for this guy to come across. Yeah, that's insane. Shout out my mate Ben for finding this location. It is so sick. First, actually, that's quite nice. Shot off. Like that, do it like that. Just grab the tower through there. I wonder how much we can twist this up. I love this soft light in here. Shoot straight into it just to see how it looks. That looks really nice. Cinematic. Just gonna wait for these guys to get out the shot. Person to wander through it. I feel like a lot of street photography is purely a waiting game. I really like that blue rock shoot. Guy in the red jacket would have been absolutely perfect, but he turned around. Noticed everybody here cycles, so I really want to get a cool panning shot. Someone cycling past. Could be this here. This spot here, just fix the This spot here would have looked so good in the summer. It is glove weather. It's literally 1 degree, so I can understand why no one's out. There's too many random little heads sticking out. So you can see if, yeah, that's framed so nicely. These two are perfect. Yes. That's all I want. And you know what? That's actually going to be my last shot of the video because the GoPro's dying.